Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are good. So today I am going to cover one topic for async business rule. So async business rule we generally use when we need to trigger one event through the business rule. Maybe one event and that event will call the notification. So in this video I am going to cover one use case that on the problem table I am going to trigger one notification based on certain condition. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to create one event. You can see that I went to event registration and there I am writing one event, putting the event name and just like that is the mandatory part, and you can also put in the description why this event needs to be triggered. And then what I am going to do, I am going to create one notification. That notification will be running on problem table and that would be event based notification. So here you can see the table is problem which I selected, and send when, so it is going to be event based, not based on inserted or updated. So event name I have to select, which I just created. So that is my event name, and here I need to put the will receive the notification. So in this case, assigned to on the problem record will be receiving this notification. And I'm creating a simple notification just to explain you that how this async business rule will be working. So in this case, putting a simple subject line and just one liner in the body of this notification. So now I'm going to submit my notification. Now let's back to the main part, that is how we are going to create the async business rule. So I'm going to be on this problem table, and here you need to click on hamburger sign and then configure and business rule. So here I'm going to click on new, and I have to select async as business rule type. So when will be async? So here I am going to put certain conditions, that when the state is fixed in progress, and also adding another condition, that is when the assigned to is not empty, that time the business rule will be triggered. And if you see that here I am not selecting any inserted, updated, nothing, since it is async business rule. So here what I am going to do, I am going to put that gs.event queue, and then I am passing this event name as a parameter, and that should be triggered on the current value of the business rule, current value of the problem table. So this is the record. First I need to check whether my condition has been met or not. So I click on fix. Hopefully that is fix in progress. You can see the state is fix in progress, and I also make sure that my assigned to field is not empty, and that is not actually empty on this record. And those fields are mandatory fields when we click on fix button. So that's why I have to put all the values, and then I'm updating the record. So when I'm updating the record, both the condition met, so the notification should be triggered. I'm going to the email log, and I can see my notification has been triggered. That is the subject line of my notification, testing async business rule. and you can see it's calling the same notification we just created, I showed you. So that is how async business rule works. It is generally calls this type of event, and when any kind of event based notification we need to trigger on any table, we generally use async business rule for that purpose. Hope you guys enjoyed that video.